Ito si Patrimonio. Patrimonio also missing. Ando si Marlon. Sino palpal? Ito si Jericho Dinero. Wala ang tira. Valdavid finally hawak ang bola. At foul ang itatawag. Dalawang manlalaro. Kapwa nakahiga. Nakatira talaga si Patrimonio, Dr. J. He's having hard time dun sa...
Yeah, three-point shot.
Ayun, sa wakas. Nakapukol na si Bong Ravena. Another pitch. Nako, ito turnover na ni Sonny Jaworski.
Paborito talaga ni Ravena yan. And Ravena is bringing them back. 5 straight points.
Malaking bagay yung pumutok na yun. Another muntik na naman si Sonny Jaworski. Showing everyone else kung paano rebound. An outlet pass. And there is Saldana. Heady play para sa veterano. Bukas na bukas ito si Ray Evangelista. Enough time para basahin ang bola. Sonny Jaworski diving for it. Gilid Elmer Lago. Walang Noli Locsin. Hawak ang rebound. At alam niya, kanya yung bola. He's on thinking three. This one is off again. And rebound to Lago.
The shot selection is so important, especially if you got momentum on your side.
Dr. J, pinag-uusapan pa rin ng marami yung missed shot do sa buzzer kanina.
Good defense here by Marlo Aquino forces Evangelista to kick it out. You're gonna see Dinto Pumares. Look at the red light upstairs. The red light is there. The ball is still in the hands of Dinto
So
Pumares.
hindi counted yun.
And when he releases, so the referees made the good decision, the right decision.
On top of the situation, Evangelista, Terry Saldana swatting away that shot, pero foul ang itatawag ni Terry Saldana. Itong si Ray Evangelista, si Dinto Pumares at saka si Bong Ravena form what we call yung team hustle para sa kupunan ng Pure Foods. They're responsible for the steals, the rebounds, at sa lahat pa ng kasi ng hustle na ginagawa nitong Pure Foods sa laban sa series na ito.
Well, you see something being done by Pure Foods right now. They want that matchup of Evangelista working for them. They're calling the plays for him. Tsaka medyo ina-isolate nila si Ray Evangelista. Shooting of Gordons in the first quarter, 58% compared to 36% ng Pure Foods. And they shot 71% from the three-point territory. So that was a terrific advantage that they had in the first quarter of play.
Pure Foods daw going to the dreaded trap.
Well, they have to do something else. No? Hindi nila pa pwedeng payagan yung half-court game ng Gordons.
Ito ang kanilang sinusubok. Tinatrap nila sa sideline si Vinciso, pero nakaligtas sila.
Kasi walang threat si Wilmer Ong at saka si Terry Saldana from the outside.
Alam na nila no?
Yeah, there are two guys there that don't have a threat outside.
Ito ang isang outside threat na hindi pa pumuputok ang laro.
There's a jump.
To shoot.
Buenas
And
talaga.
Wilmer Ong. Sobrang taas lang inilalaro, Dr. J.
Yeah. And again, they go to that matchup of Evangelista. Yun ang unang binigyan nila ng bola kaagad on their offensive play. Switch off.
They go to Patrimonio, well covered ni Wilmer Ong. Patrimonio bagging. Andito Dr. J in depensa. Sonny Cabato tumira.
Yes.
And that's what Patrimonio does so well, no? Yung passing niya. Yung sabi nga natin doon sa scouting report niya, his recognition of a double team or he reads defenses so well.
Yes. Tignan natin itong half-court game which kills the clock a little bit against Gordon setting their play. Kaya ginagawa ng Pure Foods yan.
Valdavid gagamitin ng banda. And Dr. J, this is a high scoring and high percentage game para sa Gordons. Ang mga bitaw nila sa tatlong binitawan, dalawa pumapasok.
And this is the kind of game that they like, where they can go on a scoring spree and their defense can hold a little bit against the opponents. Yan ang pinakagusto nilang klaseng laro.
Steal ni Valdavid pero not quite because of a foul. Sinasakyan niya na halos sa likod si Dinto Pumares in that last play. But I like what I'm seeing. Kung ako si Sonny Jaworski, matutuwa na ako. In fact, nung game number 2, talagang masama ang loob ni Sonny Jaworski. He uttered the words na parang this is not us, this is not Gordon, this is not my team. Sabi ng gano'n.
Yeah, I think a lot of people said the same thing. Hindi lang siya. I think anybody who's watched their game would not have been appreciative of the game.
Wilmer Ong for the rebound. Sinundot ni Sonny Cabato. Bangga si Sonny Cabato kay Valdavid. Last touch si Sonny Cabato. Sonny Cabato providing the hustle. Yan ang gusto ko naman kay Sonny Cabato. Yung namang yan, walang pakialam niya kung mabalian siya, mapapukulan siya. Basta ako aagaw ako.
When I talked to him when he first came in, sabi niya, well, matagal na tayo walang trabaho. Nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na makatrabaho ulit. So let's make the most of it. Tama naman yung kanyang attitude.
Valdavid breaking the press so well. Ang tira niya wala. Sonny Cabato again. Ito mo yung hustle ng Sonny Cabato, Dr. J. Hindi susuko ito.
Yeah.
Kung agawan lang at agawan ng bola, magpapakamatay yan para kahit kanino.
Yeah, he challenges anybody. It's a good lift. Dahil medyo in foul trouble dito si Colado. At the same time, at the same lane, alas an easy layup.
Dindo Pumarin with a deadly crossover. Iniwan. Ito, may pasa si Terry Saldana. So first, oy! Ako nga, I spoke too soon. But Dindo Pumarin, si Baldavid talaga, Dr. J, mukhang kailangan i-improve ng konti yung kanyang, hindi lang yung depensa, pero ang diskarte niya. Tira ni Pumarin short and Terry Saldana showing everyone else kung paano rebound. An outlet pass. And Terry Saldana, heady play para sa veterano.
Yeah, alam mo, he was very sorry because he made a very, very poor inbound throw-in na naagawan. Pero he's one of the guys that they must use dahil he's a veteran, katulad ng sinabi mo. May championship experience yan.
Saka magandang matchup yata, Dr. J, para kay Evangelista. One, they're built almost the same, no?
Yeah, and he has great leaping ability also dahil baski na may edad na konti. No?
Oops! Pasa ni Sani Cabato. Ang problema, Dr. J, Purefoods doesn't have a scoring threat sa loob.
Right on the buzzer.
Palagay ko, siya lang yung scoring threat dito sa loob ngayon. And of course, Dindo Pumarin. But Cabato, Evangelista, Reyes, although Evangelista can score, kung hindi ito yung threat na, o kundi hindi ito yung offensive team ng Purefoods.
Well, obligadong magbalasa ng konti si Eric. Wala nangyayari sa kanya doon sa kanyang first five. They did not shoot very well from the field. At the same time, sobra naman na their defense did not hold also. So he had to do something about his team.
35-22 ang ating score. Noli Locsin now back in the ball game.
A little pacing being done here. But you can see Jerry Cordillera quickly sent to the scorer's bench. Wala na si Marlon. Maybe Jerry can get to work a little bit more. Meanwhile, walang play nangyayari dito. Inabot ng 5 seconds. That's very, very poor. Alam mo, masyado sila magtagal mag-set ng half court minsan. Napapansin ko yan.
Nawawala yung yung point guard
alam mo
lumabas,
yung point
diba?
guard, pag hindi natuloy yung play, all you have to do is come out and get it and then call the play. That's the 24 seconds that you have anyway. Hindi naman kayo nag-aapura, galing sa foul yun. So point guard, automatic yan eh.
Yan ang sinasabi natin. Si Baldavid, one of the, is the most popular point guard here in the PBA. Pero malayo-layo pa kailangan at marami pang diskarte kailangan pag-aralan, no?
Yes, you know, eventually he's got to use a little of his own discretion in the game because that's the difference between just being a good and a great point
Yan
guard.
ang sinasabi natin, Dr. J. Ito si Terry Saldana. Floating shot, wala. Rebound, fighting for that. Ito si Ray Evangelista. Now, siyang atake. He challenges Season. Season, tumagilid. That is gonna count. Sana. But a foul on Vince Season, showing you kung ano naman ang deficiencies ni Vince Season when it comes to defense. Tumagilid siya eh. Kung tumayo siya na nakapantay and he took the charge, ito.
Yeah, because first of all, Evangelista, you want him to go to the right. He's going to the left. Na-shut off na ni Vince Season yan. So, dapat yan in-establish na niya yung position. I get what you wanted to point out in that play.
2 shots para kay Ray Evangelista. He makes his first free throw shot. Itong si Ray Evangelista, product of UST, and Sonny Jaworski, I think, ready to make another early appearance, same as he did nung game number 2, Dr. J.
Well, he didn't have a bad showing at all. You know, his team really just collapsed. No? He had 3 assists in a row there at the start of the third quarter. Meanwhile, alam mo, dahan-dahan na nangyayari dito dahil nagwa-1-2-2 trap ang dito ang Purefoods. Yung Gordons naman nagse-set up.
Sabi kung paano ang readiness nitong Gordons against the trap. I think they've seen a lot of this trap. Dapat by this time, alam na nila kung paano breaking yan. Baldavid from the corner.
Against one of his former teammates, and that was not an easy shot. You know, Evangelista, one of the better defenders, for you to loop that shot over his hands.
Yun ang
Medyo mahirap yun.
Yun ang explosiveness, Dr. J, no? Nung Baldavid. Nakita mo yung floater na yun?
Yeah.
Reminiscent of yung mga tira ni Isaiah Thomas dati nung binabatuhan niya ng tira yung si Ralph Sampson sa I think that was the 1986, 84, or 85 All-Star game.
Well, that guy is one of my heroes. At the time, I considered him the best point guard in the universe with the best smile pa.
Oh, seriously, yeah. Ito, Sonny Jaworski now making his entry. Sonny Jaworski appearing in his 20-some championship game dito sa kanyang paglalaro, hindi lamang as a player but also as a coach. Si Sonny Jaworski, lahat na ata ng records ng PBA nandun ang kanyang pangalan. The only surviving pioneer ng liga. Lago forced to near turnover. Pero they have 10 seconds, no? Bukas na bukas ito. Si Ray Evangelista. Enough time para basahin ang bola. Sonny Jaworski diving for it. Gilid Elmer Lago. Walang Noli Locsin. Hawak ang rebound. At alam niya, kanya yung bola. Hison thinking 3. This one is off again. And rebound to Lago.
The shot selection is so important, especially if you got momentum on your side. Medyo
Fast
nag-apura
break,
konti si Vincisa. Doing an Atoy ko there.
Speaking of Atoy ko, nakita natin si Atoy nung game number 2. Pinag-uusapan namin si Vince Season. Mamaya sasabihin ko kung ano yung mga observations ni The Fortune Cookie on Vince Season. 2 seconds to go. Wala, rebound, tatapikin. Sonny Jaworski tapping that ball. Hindi nila nakita, tumatakbo si Hison. Yun yung value ng Sonny Jaworski. Hindi na
He
sa
slows it
makatanong.
down. Nakita na niya, bumalik na yung depensa. Ba't magpo-persahin pa? Wala ka ng pass break.
Balbid bukas. Open lane. Sayang, hindi niya nabalagan yan. Si Val David. Ito at least dito is taking charge, Dr. J. Yan ang gusto natin kay Val David dito sa game ito na nakikita natin.
Well, David is also very strong when he goes to his right. He has that hapalong Cassidy style of scooping the shot in. And medyo maganda ang kanyang take-off doon in that play. He didn't make the shot, but he will go to the free throw line.
And one of his strengths, Dr. J, is his quickness. No? In fact, meron siyang, kung si Tim Hardaway, merong killer crossover. Si Val David has his own version of the deadly Tim Hardaway deadly crossover. Bukas pala, makikita nyo si Tim Hardaway in action. No? Game number 7, sarap na digdigan nun.
Yeah, meron tayong vintage coverage yan in the evening, no, of the game between New York and Miami, 7th and final game.
Bukas po, 9 to 12, yun yung mapapanood dito sa IBC 13.
Para malaman na kung sino ang kalaban ng Chicago Bulls. Meanwhile, Marlo Aquino comes back into the ball game, well rested. 6 minutes and 10 seconds left into this second quarter. Val David making both free throws and going back to that 15-point lead para sa Gordons.
Anong nangyari ba sa Pure Foods? Nabulaga ba sila nung magandang simula ng
Yeah, you know
Gordons?
those three-point shots of Dudut Jaworski, you gotta give it. I mean, they gave him the shot because gusto nilang tumira siya. You know, they were expecting him to miss, but he shot 3 out of the 3 attempts, I think, from that area. Nahilo sila ron.
Cordillera swatted away. Ito pa isa. Jericho Cordillera missing, tinapik. Pero walang tao. Sonny Jaworski came in to help do sa rebounding play. Matwat defense ni Marlo Aquino. Last line of defense. Binago ang tira ni Jericho Cordillera. Ito si Patrimonio. Patrimonio also missing. Ando si Marlo. Sino palpal? Ito si Jericho Cordillera. Wala ang tira. Val David finally hawak ang bola. At foul ang itatawag. Dalawang manlalaro. Kapwa nakahiga. And Patrimonio. Or is it on Aquino? Patrimonio has just been slapped with a foul, a loose ball foul on Alvin Patrimonio.
Well, Alvin is a little bit frustrated and he dragged down Marlo Aquino when he couldn't get the rebound. Tingnan natin yan sa ating slow-mo. Si Jaworski and Patrimonio fighting and eventually Patrimonio dragging Aquino down. We have a timeout, Chino.
Club Roman Traditional Fit. Club Roman Jeans and Shirts. Club Roman.
Pilipinas, magandang gabi and welcome to game number 3 of the All-Filipino Cup. Ito po ang kupunan ng Gordons na nangunguna sa kasalukuyan.
See, that's where you see Val David make those kind of mistakes. He was just pressured because he couldn't get his dribble. Pumasa yan na hindi nakatingin sa kakampi.
And si Noli Locsin binigyan ng hug itong si David. Parang reassuring him, no?
Yeah.
Na okay lang yan. Isang pagkakamali basta wag mo uulitin.
You've got to give him a little confidence. Pero that's his style, no? Kulang na kulang pa rin siya sa what we call championship experience play.
Okay, kanina nakita nyo yung pagdaan ng ating mga Mazda vehicles. Pagkakataon tumama ng bagong sasakyan at cash prizes dito sa panonood lamang ninyo ng PBA. 1 second to go and the shot clock goes off. Dalawang beses nang nauubusan ng shot clock ang kupunan ng Pure Foods.
Well, sinasabi na ni Jerry kay Bong, tira mo na. Bong was not aware of the time. Ayan na naman, muntik na naman na agawan si Val David, oh.
Ito si Hison from a behind the back pass ni Jaworski. Si Val David mukhang bothered by the presence of Dindo Pomare. Jaworski taking his own version of a 3-point shot. Mas magaling na yung anak niya sa kanya ngayon.
Matulis yung kanyang tira, eh. Malobo yung tira ng kanyang anak, eh.
A double team on Patrimonio. Ito rin Dr. J ang isang malaking pagbabago na ginawa ng Gordons. They're now double teaming. Whereas before they play straight up. Ito, straight up to the basket, Locsin. Wala ang kanyang tira. Ravenna for
Good
the rebound.
defense by the captain.
Forcing the issue. Pumarin, pasa kay Cudinera. Well set up for that shot. Yun ang value ng Dindo Pumarin. Ito na naman si Baldavid. Tama, binitawan niya na yung bola. Ayaw niya nang magtagal sa kanya dahil naiipit siya doon sa
Yeah,
half court.
he's really bothered by Dindo Pumaren's leech-like guarding against him. And, he doesn't want to commit the turnovers anymore. That's a big man on top of him. He likes to shoot over Evangelista. Ganadong-ganado siya tumira kay Evangelista.
Okay, ngayon, Baldavid, patunayan mo sa amin uli na maitatawid mo naman yung bola sa kabila mamaya pagkatapos. But Baldavid, Dr. J, shooting well against Ray Evangelista who's about 6'3". Si Baldavid, mga barely 5'10".
5'9 na siguro.
Patrimonio powering in and Sonny Jaworski sinindutan ng bola ni Ray Evangelista.
Parehong number 7 yan.
Ganda niya, no? Paano kaya Dr. J itong si Jaworski? Uy, baseball pass. Almost a turnover.
That thing is a very, very poor pass. Sonny likes to do that and it's very useless. Alam mo, walang mangyayari dyan kahit matanggap yun. Saan pupunta yun? The guards are all there. The center is there. Pero ang nabubwisit lang siya dahil walang lumalapit sa kanya para tumanggap ng bola.
Kaya niya ibinato eh. Parang ano ba ito? Last option ko na, ibabato ko na itong bola. Sonny Jaworski now directing traffic.
But there's no movement at all here on the part of
Wala
Gordon.
nagkikitayan sila eh.
It's just a one-on-one play.
Locsin, triple B. Aba, sobrang buhay na si to, Dr. J. Paano po tatalunin ng team na ganito, Dr. J? Ayaw ko kung paano.
Locsin doesn't shoot three-point shot. Just like Alonzo Mourning hit that three-point shot the other night. He doesn't shoot three-point shots. And Locsin made a big one here to give them an 18-point lead.
Sonny Jaworski talking to Hison tungkol sa kanyang depensa. Ito, Dr. J. Si Noli Locsin tumitira ng 3 points. Bagong baon yan. And Noli Locsin showing us that he too can shoot. An injury timeout, Dr. J, ang hiningi ng kupunan ng Gordons and quite a ball game para sa kupunan ng Gordons. Again, pag-uusapan natin dito. How can Pure Foods come back? Alam natin dun sa elimination, Pure Foods was a slow starting game and they picked the third quarter. Parang maging quarter nila. Doon yata sila pumuputok palagi, Dr. J.
Yeah, they have a very, very strong second half. And I think Gordon should be well aware of that. May napanood akong laro. Lamang yata dyan ng opening sa Pure Foods na 24 sa Persa. Tinalo pa ng Pure Foods yan. In other words, they're very strong. Right now, they're just out of sync.
Siguro, Dr. J, yung, ano ba yun? Masasabi mo, pagka nasa championship series ka, you being a, sabihin natin, lahat dito sa PB, na pagkaanan mo na, for coaching, for being a manager, sa pag-cover ng games. Pag 2-0 ang isang team, may tendency talagang parang bumaba yung intensity.
Well, because the other team is going to lift itself up. You know that. Kundi, wala na silang chance. So, sometimes you tend to become a little bit overconfident. Tama si Eric Altamirano doon. I think he realizes that his team is just playing too loose and too relaxed.
Tira sa gilid, wala. Rebound battle. Nando si Jericho Binera, sinakyan. And Sonny Jaworski coming up with the rebound. Baseball pass. Nakuha ni Marlo Aquino. Inilay up ni Sonny Jaworski. Just the second straight time we have seen outlet passes from two veterans. One from Saldana, this one from Jaworski.
And this one went through the hands of Evangelista who almost had a steal. So, blessing in disguise dyan para sa Gordons who are now enjoying a 20-point lead. Pero
Their biggest
binawi
lead.
agad.
Their biggest lead now blown down to just 18. But still, this is an 18-point lead. Yun pala ang kanilang paraan ng... Alagay ko si Coach Sonny Jaworski, yun ang isang paraan to break the press. Those baseball passes. Sonny Jaworski with the layup! Doon naman mas magaling yung anak ko sa tatay. Ay, stay yung tatay sa anak.
Hindi siya mananalo sa barreling drive ni Big J.
And Sonny Jaworski and Locsin contesting the rebound. Sonny Jaworski thinking of another outlet pass.
Well, kalat na kalat talaga ang laro dito ng Pure Foods. I mean, look at Sasuma forcing. What a nice pass. Terrific. Wrap around pass.
And Sonny Jaworski showing us why he leads the league in assists.
The captain has to get his team together. They've got to take something here. Nado-double team siya sa malayo pa lang di ba, Chino?
Ito si Cudinera from the outside. Again, Sonny Jaworski with a baseball pass. Fielded ni Marlo Aquino. Si Sonny Jaworski yata quarterback sa unang buhay niya eh. We have a timeout. Magbabalikan natin.
Paddock's Jeans, a legend on its own. Paddock's, the official jeans of the PBA.
Play resumes, a minute and 23 left. First half, Sonny Jaworski. Ang pasa niya kay Marlo Aquino, almost another assist para kay Big J.
Marlo had to shoot a fadeaway shot. A minute and 15 seconds. Gordon's is in the penalty while Pure Foods malayo pa.
Hindi makatira talaga sa patrimonyo Dr. J. He's having hard time dun sa,
Three-point shot.
ayun, sa wakas. Nakapukol na si Bong Ravena. Another pitch. Nako, ito turnover na ni Sonny Jaworski.
Paborito talaga ni Ravena yan. And Ravena is bringing them back. 5
And
straight
that's
points.
Malaking bagay yung pumutok na yun. Another muntik na naman si Sonny Jaworski.
And by the way, Gayoso had come in to replace Vince Hison during that timeout. And off that timeout of Gordon's, ang Pure Foods ang umarangka ng 5-0.
Hindi sila ready yata dito sa attacking ko. Matake si Valdavid. Itinago ang bola and he could have made the shot. Na baby ng konti at saka siyempre may kasabay, Dr. J.
One thing that I noticed that Valdavid is doing a lot as you see this play as he drives in. Alam mo, si Valdavid, pinag-aatake ng mga gwardiya ng mga Pure Foods on the offensive end nila. Valdavid is doing something different today. Not only shooting the jump shots, he did that against Evangelista, but he's been driving a lot more to the basket and he's been cutting a lot more to the basket. And Sonny even gave him a nice assist pass. So siya rin naman, kung kaya nyo ako atakain, ako rin aatake. And look at the career profile. This one full-time assist leader, that's something because not only because he's still playing, but he really had that long ago pa yan eh. Siguro sunod yan, kung di ako nagkakamali, si Ramon Fernandez, surprising for a center. Pangatlo yata dyan si Bernard Fabioso pa yata.
Check natin si Dr. J. Matindi talaga ang computer nito eh.
Hindi naman. I just remember these guys, they were such great. I think with Ramon, I'm almost sure that he's number 2 because Ramon was a great assist player.
Walang doubt po sa kagalingan ni Ramon Fernandez pagdating sa pagpasa.
Saka si Bernie Fabioso, quarterback for Crispa, was also one of the great assist players of the league. Saka medyo mahaba rin ang linaro ni Bernard dito eh.
Ito si Lago. Ito naman ang gunner ng kupunan ng Pure Foods. He makes his first free throw. At yan po si Ciara Soto.
Mga fans ng Pure Foods,
So, yung
Corn-Beef
Muse.
Cowboys. Yung pala Muse.
Tapos anak ng ni Senator Tito.
Well, 27.3 seconds. A difference of only 3.3 seconds. Saka yung 24-second shot clock. Something that Gordon's really should do is settle down. Pinipilit niya, katulad yan kay Jaworski. That error is terrible. They could have used the clock instead of trying to rush the ball down. Pero sa Gordon's, there's no such thing. Wala sa kanila yung mga ganyang klase. Yung hold the ball, use the clock, pahirap. Hindi makakatira. Itong foul na ito, because they're in the penalty, 2 free throws pa nga.
Sayang ito, Dr. J. Ayan, yung mga glaring na turnovers and ito lang ang iniintay ng Pure Foods. Itong Pure Foods na to can come back. Bigyan mo ng opportunity nito, papatayin ka nito.
With 1 minute and 51, Gordon's was up by 20 points. Now it's 14 with shot opportunities for Ravena to even cut it down to 12. So, you just like it's throwing away 7-8 points instead of
Sakit.
protecting it.
Napakasakit para sa kanila, Dr. J.
Wala kasi silang control sa laro nila. They have it's not a cruise control type of game. They're not that type. Ayan, buti nakamiss pa si Ravena like that. But they have to use the clock here.
They will opt for the last shot, protecting an 11-point lead, which was at highest at 20 a minute ago.
There's the
Radel
foul to give.
Mosqueda.
May foul pa yun.
Dr. J, binibigyan nila ng malaking tao talaga si Valdavid. Siguro showing you a respect that Eric Altamirano has for this point guard.
Well, I don't think he really can guard him. Pag in-isolate siya, dadaanan ni
Kakainin
Valde.
niya.
But ang nangyari dyan was because of the trap, they had to pick up the guy right away. And so it happened to be a big man and he stayed right on top of him.
Back to Marlo Aquino, Sonny Jaworski, JP Gayoso, upukol, mas malapit. Wala, ando si Marlo Aquino, tipping that ball in. Wala. Valdavid, a second to go. Bidaton, tira!
Yes!
And it counts! And that basket counts. Si Valdavid, one of the better clutch players that we have dito sa liga na to. End of the half, Valdavid with 13 points, 2 assists, 53-38 ang ating score. Magbabalik po kami with a halftime summary.